guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically pixelate or blur your face on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to your timeline. Go to effects, go to video effects. If you want blur, it's in lens, it's under lens and it's the blur one. If you want the pixelate, we're going to go to comic and select the pixelate one, the mosaic one, sorry. Copy and paste your video and add in the mosaic or blur effect, whichever one you want. Adjust the blur as well and select these two, right click, create compound clip, and go to mask and just select circle and only blur out the person's face and feather it out just a little bit. You don't want too much. And then when the person moves, you're just going to add a keyframe here, and when their face moves out of the bit right here, you can adjust it and resize it. But it's better if you just kind of adjust it because it will look kind of weird. Make sure you add a keyframe first before adding the second one, I guess, here. Add in another keyframe. Hold on. And then here, you can then move it so it's not that awkward looking. Like so, and you're just going to keep on doing that. Sorry, there's something stuck before. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!